everyone, welcome to Cup and Curves coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use SonicPy. SonicPy is a really cool programming language because it's built for music. As you can see, I'm on a different computer. Yeah. So to get started, download and install SonicPy. There's a link in the description. And pop it open. It has like a cool startup screen. It's going to take a little... Oh, there it is. So see, we have a little code editor. And yeah. So to make sounds, we can use the play command, and it'll play a certain, it'll play a tone. So if I do play 64, click run, this is what happens. It plays 64. And you can have it play multiple things at the same time by putting the play commands in a row. Play 64 and 63 at the same time. Whoa, that sounds weird. And let's see how long we can hold it by going sleep 5. Oh, I spelled sleep wrong. And that should have it wait 5 seconds. That didn't work because that didn't hold long enough. Dang. But since we can wait, let's have it wait 1 second. Sleep 1. It's pretty cool. And then let's have it sleep 1 again. And have it play sample, because you can play samples. Colon ambi underscore lunarland. Oh, hey, look, it has autocomplete. Click. No, I can't do that. Lunar land. Ignore the autocomplete. Now let's hear it. Sounds pretty cool. Let's put it at the beginning. Pretty cool. Now, SonicPy lets you have live loops, which basically means it can loop stuff, and then you can modify it and click run, and it'll keep going. And it won't like stop and sound all wonky. So let's do that. Let's do that. You go live underscore loop colon foo do. And then we need to indent all this stuff that we want to have inside the live loop and put the word end at the end of it. Now listen. Sounds cool. Sounds cool until the end where it's just making these 64 and 63 sounds. Let's spice it up a little bit by adding a sample. Sample colon ambi underscore drone. This will spice it up. Let's make some random changes. See, you can do some really cool stuff with this, and this is like still very basic. As you can see, you can save your code, you can load code, and you can record the audio live. So you can like mess with the code and do stuff while it's running, and it will record the audio for you at high quality. It's pretty great. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out Kidzee. He posted a video last week, the week that I decided not to promote him because he hadn't posted a video for too long. Yeah, thanks for watching.